Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to Mimi's Kitchen. So I am back today with 3 of my favorite snacks. So if you've got a sweet tooth, if you got a savory tooth, then you will be sorted. These are the snacks that I usually eat when I'm trying to lose weight, but do bear in mind that you can modify them. So for example, I didn't have my usual no sugar, no salt peanut butter, so I just used plain old peanut butter. So just be mindful, you can tweak it up the way that suits you, and I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to comment, to like, and subscribe. And until next time, God bless and bye-bye. For this first recipe, I am using Provitas. I took 3 of those, spread some peanut butter on it, and then you can just top that off with bananas with a little bit of cinnamon and honey, and enjoy. For this recipe, you'll need a handful of spinach, 2 tablespoons of honey, some strawberries and blueberries, and 2 teaspoons of chia seeds, and about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of plain yogurt. You can then also add in 2 tablespoons or even 1 tablespoon of cacao, a little bit of vanilla essence, and pop all of that into a blender. Blend until it's well blended, and you are done with your smoothie. You can just top it off at the end with some cinnamon and blueberries. Start off this recipe, we'll be making some hummus, a can of chickpeas, a dash of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of tahini, 2 garlic cloves, as well as a squeeze of some lemon, even if it's 1/4 of lemon juice, cumin, and some salt to taste. So then you can add all your ingredients into the food processor. What's nice with the olive oil is that you can eyeball it, so if you want it to be a bit thicker, put less olive oil. If you want it to be a bit thinner, then you can put a bit more olive oil. Process it, and once it is nice and smooth, you can transfer that into a bowl. Then you can finish that off with some olive oil and some paprika. And on to the last snack. I'm using some Provita cracker bread. I'm using 2 of those. Then I'm going to generously spread some hummus. You can spread as much as you would like. And then on top of that hummus, I'm going to add some fresh washed baby spinach. This is good to get your greens in as well. And then I'm going to top it with some rosa tomatoes. I cut up just about 4 of those, and you can spread that evenly on the bread. And lastly, I'm going to crumble some very good feta with some mixed herbs, and that is going to top off that snack. So if you have a salty savory tooth, this is the one for you.